So adult sites in Australia are changing. Most of them will still load, but the moment a video gets explicit, well, the screen blurs, the login prompt appears, and you're being asked to verify your age. Now, I tested a few ways around it, and one of them works every time. If you want to, get ahead of it, the link is in the description if you just want to go ahead and grab one now, but here's what's actually happening. Australia's age verification push means sites aren't fully blocking access. They're gatekeeping the content itself. You land on the page, fine. You browse, fine. Second anything explicit comes up, well, that's where the stop comes. You either hand over your details or you don't watch at all. That's the wall. And the reason most people's usual tricks don't work here is because clearing your cookies or going incognito doesn't change your location. The site still knows you're in Australia. Now, the block is geographical, not session-based. That's why. But here's where it gets interesting. A VPN changes your IP address. The site no longer sees an Australian connection. It sees wherever your server is. Now, no Australian IP, no age verification trigger. You're in. And the whole thing takes about 45 seconds from install to connect with the right VPN. But now, not every VPN handles this the same way. I ran a speed test on a few of them from a Sydney baseline, and the difference matters because a slow VPN on a video-heavy site is its own kind of frustrating. Now, NordVPN held 98% of my base download speed on a Sydney server. That's a 2% drop. On Singapore, it dropped 16%, Los Angeles 21%, London 15%. And those are the real numbers that I came across. That wasn't just their marketing claims or anything like that. For most people watching locally or connecting to nearby servers, you're not going to notice any slowdown at all. NordVPN runs on its own Nord Linux protocol, and that's what's behind those numbers. It also has RAM-only servers, a verified no logs policy with 6 independent audits, and a kill switch that cuts your connection if the VPN drops, so your real IP never actually leaks. Now, see, the setup is straightforward. Open the app, pick a server outside of Australia. I use Singapore for the speed. Hit connect, refresh the page, done. But here's the thing most reviews skip. NordVPN is the performance pick, but it's not the cheapest option. So what if you just want something that works without spending much? You don't need all the bells and whistles, right? Well, here's where TotalVPN comes in. It runs on Hotspot Shield infrastructure, which means the underlying network is solid. On Sydney servers, it dropped 8% on speed test. See, Los Angeles held up well. It's based in the UK, which isn't ideal for a pure privacy standpoint, but for the specific use case here, bypassing age verification in Australia, it does the job. And being at 80% off right now, it's the lowest entry cost of anything I tested. So here's the verdict. If you want the fastest, most reliable option with the strongest privacy setup, NordVPN is the one to go with. It held the best speeds across every server I tested, and the security infrastructure is genuinely best in class. Now, if you want the cheapest option that still works, TotalVPN gets you there for less. Both are in the description below. For NordVPN, you can get 74% off plus 3 free months with the link in the description or by scanning that nifty little QR code on screen. And for TotalVPN, you can get 80% off, like I said, with the link in the description or again, that QR code on screen. Just pick one, connect to a server outside of Australia, and the verification wall disappears. That's the whole fix.